Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete search history on Safari. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And here it says if you want to delete history, cache, and cookies, go to the settings and then Safari, tap clear history and website data. So I'm going to just simply go back to my screen, go ahead to my settings, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down till I find my Safari, click on it, and basically scroll a little bit down right here, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, a little bit longer down. You're gonna see right here clear history and website data. Click on it. Basically you can select the time frame and you can select the profiles if you have more than one profile on Safari. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 personal profiles. If you want to delete it for all profiles, just select all profiles and select the time frame if you want it to be all history or today and yesterday or today or last hour. You could just do that, and then basically close. If you have it right here, there's additional option. If you want to close all tabs that you already opened, just toggle or color this one green, or just toggle it off, so you won't be able. So they won't close all your basically all the tabs, and then just click clear history, and basically you gotta wait it out for a few moments and you're gonna be able to see your Safari been cleared from the history and website data, or the extra data that was inside the Safari. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.